Hey, and welcome to part 2 of my kitchen and dining room renovation. In this video I'm showing you two simple projects in dining room. These are my wooden double pane glass balcony door. I really want to change their look and make them more interesting. So while looking for inspiration, I came across this picture and saw opportunity to transform them into something like this. Don't this black door with horizontal lines look so sleek and classy? And also I think they would balance out my new black countertops on the opposite side of the room. Firstly, I painted upper panel and sides with the same color as walls in dining room. Then I taped painter's tape on all contact surfaces and painted over it again with the same color. This will create a seal between the tape and the base color, ensuring that next paint color won't bleed underneath the tape. After sanding it with 100 grit and then 220 grit sanding paper, I started painting the door and applied 2 coats of black paint. For horizontal lines, I bought wood strips that are 1 cm wide and half centimeters thick. I cut them to size with hand saw and I needed 6 pieces, 3 for each side. I painted them the same way, 2 coats of black and 2 coats of polyacrylic in satin finish. Final step is attaching them on glass panels, and for that I used double-sided foam tape. You could use something stronger like silicone, but since this is decorative light pieces of wood, foam tape worked great for me. And wow, what a transformation! I love how they turn it out. Brass hardware stands out more now, and room actually feels wider because of the horizontal division. A really simple project, but effective. Project 2 is similar to previous one, and I actually did it first. Between dining room and living room, there is this huge opening where there used to be a 3-part door that we removed long time ago and left just this transom window. I want to remove all traces that there used to be a door and place vertical grills to highlight this transom window and make it more interesting. A 4-part division will appear to be in good proportion, I think. I removed all the rubber strips from the door frame, and using caulking gun I filled all the holes and empty slots with paintable acrylic caulk. I put a lot of effort into this to make it look seamless and smooth. After that I painted it with same color as dining room, so basically color drenching it, except for the black accent door. Just like for the balcony door, I used wood strips, this time 1 cm by 1 cm, painted them and attached them the same way. And here is final result. Small change, but looks so much nicer and it feels that it's actually built intentionally. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in next part.